Erica, what have you been drawing lately?
I have been observing the clouds. I take photos of the clouds and draw them to show their different shapes. Look! Besides observing the clouds, I also noticed that the temperature of the air changed as the formation of the clouds changed. Why is this, Mr. Marco? Does this have to do with the rain that is falling now?
You make a good geographer, Erica, for you are very observant. I can see this from your drawings. You are also good at analysing. Yes, today we have the second type of rainfall that falls on our heads in Malta. What was the first type of rain that we explained before?
What is happening today?
I will explain on my laptop. Jeremy, what type of air do you think will be coming from the Arctic in winter? Correct. Erica, what type of air do you think will be coming from the Tropic of Cancer in winter? Correct. The mass of warm and cold air are meeting here along this line. This is called the front. The cold air and the warm air are blocking the way to each other until one of the two types of air, being lighter, starts rising. Which one of the two is the lighter air and so can rise over the other? Correct. Look at the bulge created by the warm air rising over the cold air. The shape of the front has now changed. The meeting of the warm air with the cold is creating the weather system that is causing the frontal rain that we have today. In winter, these weather systems form over the Atlantic Ocean and pass over the Mediterranean region. Frontal rain falls in Malta and in other Mediterranean countries, mostly during the winter months.
This is why I felt the air changing from cold to warm, for the weather system, giving us frontal rain, is made up of cold and warm air.
But how does the rising warm air cause rain?
I can show you on my laptop how the weather changes as this weather system passes over Malta.
Who do you think ends up as the winner in this weather system? The cold air or the warm air?
None of the two. For even though the warm air managed to rise over the cold air, in the process, it became cold as well.